Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah. I'm going to be sharing with you guys the notes from our weekly Arabic class. It's a free class that we have every Saturday at 7 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So if you're interested in joining these classes, then please send me a message. Just message me or find me on social media, on any social media, and message me and ask to be added to the WhatsApp group, and I will add you, bi'ithnillah. So we covered today lesson 3. And lesson 3 is a big lesson. So it is going to be in 2 parts. And the first part of this lesson, we cover the huruf al-shamsiyya and the huruf al-qamariyya. So the Arabic language has a total of 29 letters, but some scholars say 28. So let's go with 28. 14 of those letters, if you take the alif out, 14 of them are Shamsiyya, which I put in yellow, and 14 of them are Qamariya, which I put in blue, okay? With the Huruf Shamsiyya, it's a very simple process. It's going to be an alif and a lam, and with the Huruf Shamsiyya, that harf, that letter will be there, and there will be a shadda over that. And what does shadda mean? Shadda means that there's 2 of those letters. 2, even though there's only 1 written. So in the word at-tajir, which we learned in the previous lesson, the ta, you see, has a shadda after the alif and lam. It has a shadda, so there's 2 tas, and the first one has a sukoon. And the second letter will have whatever is on that letter, whether it's a fatha, a doma, or a kasra. Here in at-tajir, it is a fatha. So you have at-tajiru, right? Alif, lam, ta. And you're going to skip over the lam. That's the principle, because al has a sukoon, and the first sukoon in the word that has the letter that has a shadda has sukoon, and 2 shaddas, they're never going to meet. So what do? You skip over the first shadda. You're going to go to the second shadda, at-tajir, okay? So there's no lam being mentioned. With the huruf al-qamariyya, you have the alif and lam, okay? And the letter after the alif and lam, if it's a qamariya, if it's a moon letter, then it will not have a shadda, and you don't skip over the lam. El bait, for example. El bait, okay? So if I want to say this, I will say el bait, right? El baitu, okay? So we went over that, and we also covered here Baytun and El Baytu. If there is a tenween, Baytun, it means a house. El Baytu means the. So how do you know if it's definite or indefinite? It's indefinite if there's tenween. If there's no tenween, there's alif and lam. That means it's definite, okay? Alif and lam and tenween will never coexist. Alif and lam and tenween will never coexist. You're never going to have these 2 in a word, okay? It's not going to happen. Don't worry about it. It's not going to happen, okay? Then we have some examples. We went over the vocabulary words that are new. We put in blue, meksur, meftur, right? Broken, open, jalisun, sitting, waqifun, standing, jadid, kadim, saghir, kabir, barid, wasiq, jamil, qarib, ba'id, thaqil, khafif, har, and nadif. Then we had these for homework. My students, they do the homework, they submit the homework on WhatsApp, and I correct their any mistakes they may have. I give them their grades. They write them back inside of their notebook, and this is the way that we proceed in our classes. So this is their homework for the week. They can send to me. I grade their work. We interact over the week. and then we have class the next week, inshallah. So if you're interested in joining these classes, then please send me a message. You can reply to this. And if you don't have some way to, contact me through this, then just send me a message in any social media, right? If I don't respond to you, if I don't see it somehow, just send me a message on any social media, Facebook, Twitter, uh, even on Instagram or YouTube and TikTok. Send to me. I don't have a Snapchat, so that's the one that I don't have. Send to me in any of these others, and I will add you promptly, inshallah, for our weekly lessons. Bi'idhnillah. Jazakumullahu khair, and we hope to see you soon. Assalamu alaikum.